Imagine waking up and your bills are already covered, not by a paycheck, but cash your investments send you. That's the appeal of dividends. But markets swing, inflation bites, and nothing is guaranteed. So the real question is how to build income that's more resilient when conditions change. A dividend portfolio is simple at its core. A dividend is cash a company pays you for owning its stock. It's not free money, it's part of your total return. Prices still move and dividends can change. The goal here isn't perfection, it's balance. This portfolio uses three different income engines, each reacting differently to the world. First is local growth through the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, or VIG. It owns U.S. companies with long histories of raising dividends. The yield starts lower, but the income tends to grow over time, which helps against inflation. Second is global diversification with the Vanguard International High Dividend Yield ETF, VYMI. These are non-U.S. companies that pay higher dividends today. That boosts current income and spreads risk beyond the U.S., though currency swings and foreign markets add volatility. Third is the defensive cushion, the Utilities Select Sector SPDR ETF, XLU. Utilities sell essentials like power and water. Demand is steadier in recessions, and dividends have historically been more stable, even though utilities are sensitive to interest rates. The portfolio splits money into equal thirds. That keeps it simple, but remember this is still 100% stocks with a heavy utilities tilt. Over the last 5 years, this mix produced about a 2.5% dividend yield and a 10.7% annualized return. Put simply, a $1 million portfolio would have paid roughly $25,000 a year in cash before taxes. The takeaway is grounded. This setup can smooth income and reduce reliance on selling shares in bad markets. It's more resilient than a single fund, but it's not invincible. Dividends work best as a steady base, paired with flexibility, realistic expectations, and a plan for when the world doesn't cooperate.